Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today, of course, as you can see it from the title, CJ, sit down. We're gonna be playing with slimes. I already have Tickle now.
I agree.
Hey. That's CJ.
I agree.
And don't forget to
Go.
And don't forget to check out his channel. But now without further ado, let's just jump right in. Oh wait, before we jump in, I want to tell you to subscribe to my sister's Annabelle's channel. And if you don't, just make sure she is now. She's they didn't even say it. That's her right now. But don't show your face. Don't forget to subscribe to her channel. Excuse me guys, if you guys want to be part of the video, you guys have to have and don't forget to click the subscribe and stuff. Just tell you. And sticky. Oh yeah, and I found the way how to make your slimes not rocky. Mouthwash. As you know, I used a lot of it. That's okay because I have a couple more. Hopefully my sister will join me, but she probably won't.
I'm doing my hair. You like it?
Okay, come on now. Cut the door.
Can't see. I'm sorry. So now she is gonna join us later on, but she is doing her hair, so.
Isaiah.
I'm sorry guys, I got a cold. And I don't know, I got this shirt on. See? I'm in training. She's gonna be in our video later, so. And CJ. I think she's gonna be joining us.
I should do your hair.
I don't care. She's gonna be doing my hair while I'm playing with slime. Okay, so I'm just gonna skip this part.
Don't hit my
intro, In 3, 2, 1. These are just
Mommy, it's just a cake. Why are you coming to the mother?
Call 833-WINS-BIG now. Our lawyers are standing by to get you your entitlements today. Get the help you need and deserve. We specialize in auto, personal injury, slip and fall, and medical malpractice. Let 833-WINS-BIG help you get the money you deserve. Call 833-WINS-BIG today.
And the winner is.
Fighting Temptation.
On behalf of the choir, I just want to say thank you. I'm really proud of my hometown. Monty Cook. And just one more thing. My mom once told me not to settle for anything less than the best. And if Lily will have me, I can finally say that I kept my promise.
You didn't know I was Beyonce?
I didn't know now. But now all I have to do is just give you a freaking hair tie. Unless you get a bun to hide that crazy thing on top of your head. But you're not getting there. You're getting this. I need something.
And since God keeps blessing us with new souls every week,
What you do your hair
we
with?
started our building expansion project.
What you do with your hair with?
Let's be blessed by what we want.
Do you want me to do your edges?
Like, did you use edge control?
Pop in the bubble, pop.
No.
I did not use edge
Pop,
control.
pop, 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 pop. Stop.
I said yes.
Because it holds your hair. Your hair might fall. But you have to wipe.
Susie's sleeping. You gotta wait, okay? Susie's sleeping. She keeps saying he wants to be.
My gum tissue.
No, your Susie's sleeping.
See, I use this.
My gum.
Why don't you use my toothbrush?
Oh, this is yours. Whoops. I can wipe it off for you. But do you still want to do this? Use this?
No, I wanted to brush my teeth with it.
In the boat.
There's other toothbrushes in there.
Those are.
This is toothbrush or detergent.
They're all good.
They are? They're electric.
Stuff the inside of it.
Bro, I want it.
Whoa.
You really want to use this because it might be hard to use the big brush.
I don't care.
Don't have it.
But hold on.
I said the big brush.
The big brush is going to be hard to use.
I don't care. Like, I'm just playing. I'm just playing.
This or that.
Look up the budget. Mama, mama,
Shut up with that noise.
I'm sorry, but the only thing I can do is swoop.
Ow!
He's not going home anytime soon.
Daddy not out.
Mama, Daddy knows.
He wants to help us.